Hello children, so today we will deal with a new chapter, chapter 16, garbage in, garbage out. We have your video 1, introduction, that is on page 155, dealing with garbage 155 and 156. So take your textbook, page 155, you can see your new chapter, garbage in, garbage out. We will look into this part. So to understand this chapter, we have to understand the meaning of the term garbage. Now garbage are things that we rarely use and are often thrown out. We call it as garbage. What will happen if the garbage is not removed? It will be creating diseases. So things which we rarely use and often thrown out as waste are known as your rubbish or garbage. For example, you have your plastic wrapping material, tins and polythene bags. You have your domestic waste, like what? Like you have your broken toys, old clothes, shoes and slippers. Kitchen waste, all those are garbage. Now, there is an important term called Safai Karamcharis. Safai Karamcharis are people who take all the garbage from the dump place. Like if the garbage is not taken, what happens? This garbage will harm us, it will cause diseases. So Safai Karamcharis are people who help us with cleanliness. They will take the garbage from the place where it is dumped to an area where it is sorted. A step towards cleanliness. So this is a very important topic in your textbook. Please mark it as important. Write there study. So you have your page 155. You have a step towards cleanliness. You can see things that are printed in blue. Okay. So this is a very important box. Prime Minister of India launched Swachh Bharat Mission. So you have your Swachh Bharat Mission or SBM. SBM. What is the aim? To create an open defecation free India. When? Till 2nd October 2019. So to create an open defecation free India by 2nd October 2019. So what is this open defecation? Now nowadays we have a home, we have a toilet attached to our home, isn't it? And we use that. Now there are places in India where people actually use the open playground or any area to be used as a toilet. So that is not a very hygienic or a good practice. So to prevent that or to stop that, your Swachh Bharat Mission has been launched. What has been done in that? Toilets have been created all over the India so that people can use it and open defecation can be stopped. Okay. Now page 155 you have your topic dealing with garbage. 16.1 dealing with garbage. We will look into this part. Now Safai Karamcharis, they collect the garbage in trucks. So all these garbage that has been dumped, that is taken in the truck and is taken to a low lying open area, that is called your landfill. Okay. So you have a low lying open area and is known as a landfill. What happens here? All the garbage is taken down from the truck. It is separated into groups. One group that is reusable garbage, any garbage that can be reused, and the other is not to be reused. So, garbage that can be reused is separated from the ones that cannot be used. So, you can see this is your landfill, you can see the trucks here, okay, you can see all the waste that is dumped here. So, this is your landfill. What is this landfill? Low lying open area, that is your landfill. Now, we turn to the next page, page 156. The non-useful component is separated and spread over the landfill and covered with a layer of soil. So, you have this place, landfill, all the waste is dumped here and then covered with a layer of soil. Once the landfill is completely filled, it is then converted into a park. So, this landfill is then converted into a park or a playground. And for the next 20 years or so, no building is constructed over it. Why is it like that? Because the place that is used as a landfill, all the garbage is dumped and the ground will not have that much of stability. So, for 20 years or so, nothing is built over it, but how can that be used? It can be made into a playground or a park and then used. Clear to you? Now, to deal with some of the useful components, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. So, you have your landfill, this is the low lying open area, suppose here all the garbage is dumped and this is the compost making area that is used. Clear to you? So, we have our activity 1. So, if you take your textbook, you can see page 156, you have your activity 1 here. We will look into this part. For this, you have to collect the garbage from your home, okay, and separate it into 2 groups. In this activity, all the garbage in your house is collected and divided into 2 groups. That is, you have your group 1 and you have your group 2. Group 1 is further divided into A part and B part. Group 2 is divided into C part and D part. Okay, so your garbage is divided into group 1 and group 2. Group 1 is having 2 parts A and B, group 2 is having 2 parts C and D. So, A part is made of kitchen waste, that is, you have your fruit and vegetable waste, tea leaves, food waste, meat waste. Second is newspapers, dry leaves, paper bags. Group 2, you have C part, that is pieces of cloth, old shoes and things like that. D part, you have your polythene bags, broken glass, broken toys, aluminium wrappers. Okay. So, garbage is divided into group 1 and group 2. Group 1 is having 2 parts A and B, group 2 is having 2 parts C and D. A part is kitchen waste, B part is newspapers, dry leaves and paper bags. C part is pieces of cloth, old shoes. D part is polythene bags, broken glass, aluminium wrappers. nails, broken toys and things like that. What do you do? The 4 parts, that is you have your A garbage, B garbage, C garbage and D garbage, isn't it? That is buried in the soil. What is done here? It is buried in the soil. And once it is buried, after 4 days, you observe the changes in the garbage. Okay, so 4 parts, your garbage was divided. You dug a hole in the soil, you buried it. After 4 days, you observed. If the garbage is having black color and no foul smell. Foul smell means disgusting smell or smell which we cannot tolerate, bad smell. A black color and no foul or bad smell indicates that rotting or breaking down of garbage is complete. So, foul means bad smell. Rotting means breaking down or decomposing. Now, once you open your garbage, you can see that there is a garbage that is rotting completely but is having no smell, like your vegetable waste. They will belong to this category. Rots almost completely but smells bad. You have your meat waste, eggshells, things like that. They will rot but still bad smell will be there. Rots only partially, like you have your newspapers, paper bags, that will belong to this category. There is garbage that is having no change at all, like your polythene bags, aluminium wrappers. Okay, once you open the garbage and see, after you bury it, there is a garbage that is rotting completely and there is no smell. Like you have your food waste, fruit waste, vegetable waste, rots almost completely but smells bad. You have your meat waste, bones, flesh, all the waste of that category, eggshells, it rots completely, almost completely, but there is bad smell. Rots almost partially, partially means only half, like you have your newspapers or paper bags and there is no change at all, that is your polythene bags. Okay. So, for example, vegetable waste, you have your bones, meat waste, eggshells, partially means only half, that is your newspapers, paper bags, no change at all, that is your polythene bags, aluminium wrappers. Okay, so you can see that the garbage is basically of 4 types. Okay, so we will deal with this much for today, children. Please read through these pages that has been specified here. Okay, thank you.